Hi, in this video I will give you a short review about TOGUARD Mini Dashcam 1080p Full HD car camera. I hope this video will help you. Here is my review. This is the dashcam I was looking for and needed. After having a few dings on my car in the parking lot, I was looking to buy a dashcam that not only recorded when I was driving but also when I was not. This is the only dashcam I could find that did it. Fortunately, haven't yet had a need to test this so far. Have installed this dashcam in my car. The best part is the charging cable is long enough to guide around the windshield, down the side passenger door sill, and to the 12V socket in the center. The package came with the tools that would be required to tuck the cable inside so it doesn't look awful with the cable hanging. Absolutely loved it. Viewing angle is pretty wide with almost 180-degree captured on the cam. Had to install my own micro SD card. Too soon to tell, but I think the latest recording would automatically overwrite the oldest recording once storage is full. The camera itself is small in size yet has sharp image quality. The size of the dashcam ensures it neatly fits behind the rear view mirror and doesn't interfere with visibility. Will surely recommend this product. If you want to know more detail about this product, click link in description below.